Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today my topic is Shakespeare's The Merchant of Venice. I am going to teach Act 4, Scene 1. Okay, now where does the scene take place? The scene takes place in Venice, a court of justice. Now who are the persons entering the scene? Persons entering the scene are the Duke, the Magnificos, Antonio, Bassanio, Gratiano, Salario, and others. Now, who are the Magnificos? They are the noblemen of Venice. Duke. Now, Duke is asking, okay, what is Antonio here? Means whether Antonio is here or not. Antonio is replying, ready to please your grace. Antonio is telling, yes, sir, I am ready. Okay. Duke, I am sorry for thee. Thou art come to answer a stony adversary, an inhuman wretch, incapable of pity, void and empty from any drum of mercy. Now, Duke is telling that I'm sorry for you, Antonio, that you have come to face a man, okay, who is stone-hearted. Stony adversary means stone-hearted. And inhuman wretch means he does not have any humanity. Okay, inhuman wretch means he does not have any humanity, and he is absolutely without any feeling of pity and mercy, means he does not even have any kindness. Now Antonio is telling, I have heard your grace had taken great pains to qualify his rigorous case, but since he stands obdurate, and that no lawful means can carry me out of his envy's reach, I do oppose my patience to his fury, and unarmed to suffer with a quietness of spirit the very tyranny and rage of his. Tyranny means cruelty, rage means anger. Now what is Antonio reply? Antonio is replying that I have heard that your grace means Duke, has taken great pains to change Shylock's decision, but since Shylock is obdurate, okay, no legal means can carry Antonio out of the danger, and therefore Antonio is ready to face Shylock's anger with patience. Okay, Duke is telling that let go somebody and call the Jew into the court. Salario is telling that he is ready at the door. Okay, and now enter Shylock. Look, Shylock is entering. Duke is telling make room. Make room means give him some place. Let him stand in front of me. Okay, let him. He means Shylock. Stand before me. Now Duke is explaining Shylock. Okay, Shylock, the world thinks and I think too. Okay, what is the Duke telling? Shylock, this whole world thinks and even I think that you are keeping up this show of cruelty and hatred. You are keeping up this show of cruelty and hatred, and you will keep it up to the last hour. Okay, and you will keep it up to the last hour. Then a day will come when you will be changed. Okay, now you are insisting upon taking the penalty, which is a pound of this poor merchant's flesh. Instead of it, you will not only leave the penalty but also forgive half of the original money lent to Antonio. Now, one day, a day will come when you will forgive Antonio. Okay, the Duke is telling all this thing. You will do so. Now, why you will forgive Antonio? Because you will be touched with gentleness and love. Next, he is giving the example of Turk and Tartars. They are the uncivilized people. They have not learnt any lesson in courtesy, and Duke is telling that if Turk and Tartars, okay, if stubborn Turks and Tartars would also listen to Antonio's case, they would forgive him. And therefore, Jew is telling Shylock that we all expect a gentle answer from you. Okay, they are all expecting gentle answer that Shylock would forgive Antonio. Now it is up to Shylock whether he will forgive or not. Okay, up to this much. In my next video, I will continue with the rest. Okay, until then, goodbye.